In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Battlefield 1 with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to play Battlefield 1 using any controller that you have is to make sure that you are running the game through Steam. Even if you own the game outside of Steam, you will still be able to reproduce this. All that you have to do is, first, go to your library and click on the game. If you own Battlefield 1 outside of Steam, what you have to do instead is click Add a Game at the bottom left corner of your library and add Battlefield 1, the exe for the game, as a non-Steam game. You will then be able to click on it, and I'm going to use Destiny 2 as an example of the process, because I don't actually own Battlefield at the moment, but all you have to do after you select Battlefield 1 is to click this little settings icon at the right side of the library page for the game and go into the properties. Inside of the properties, go into the controller settings and make sure that Steam input is enabled. With Steam input enabled, you will have access to this little gamepad icon, or you can browse through layouts made for controller support. So all you have to do now is either use the official one made for the game or browse through community layouts made by other people. You can also manually edit the layout as you wish and set specific actions to specific keys. As long as you run the game through Steam with Steam input enabled, your controller will be automatically set up and you can configure everything in-game. If you are having problems, even after enabling Steam input, you can also try doing the opposite and disabling Steam input entirely, because it can mess up some specific controllers. But as long as you run the game through Steam, it will work and you will be able to configure your controller inside of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Battlefield 1 with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.